Have you ever placed a bet on lucky numbers and win this year 2025? If your answer is yes, which draw and how much did you win? Tell me your answer in the comment section down below. If your answer is no, I kindly request you to stick around because today I'm going to show you a simple instruction you need to follow in order to start winning with one of my favorite lottery, Gosloto 749. As you stick around, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my daily prediction. In the past few years, after struggling to win lucky numbers draws like UK 49, Mega Millions, Gosloto 749 and more, I finally discovered one of the best strategy that works 95% on Gosloto 749. This is how it works. You get predicted two numbers that one of them is likely to play between the 7 draws that plays daily. To support this statement, here is the record showing the strategy worked for 28 out of 30 days in November 2024. On the left side is a date from 1 November 2024 to 30 November 2024. The draws are indicated in the above, and then the green color indicate where the number dropped. And on the right side is the number that we're supposed to drop, or the single predicted numbers. So we can see that most of the time this strategy was working, as you can see the green light indicated here. The red line indicates where the strategy didn't work, and we can see it's only just 2 days, the 22nd of November 2024 and the 23rd November of 2024. That's the only 2 dates where the strategy didn't work. So here I will show the time frame for Gosloto 749, meaning like I will show you what time the first draw, the second and the third up until the last draw played here in South Africa. Now let me explain how to play my daily prediction. It's either you play from draw 1 up until 1 drops, then you stop playing for that day, or you start playing at draw number 3, since according to my research they usually start dropping at draw number 3 upwards. I also did a little bit of research to those who prefer playing pairs instead of singles. That's where we have 8 pairs. I call those pairs the magic pairs. Remember to increase your wager amount from draw to draw to get a profit. Steps to follow when you want to play Gosloto 749. You click on lucky numbers, then you click on Russia, then you locate Russia Gosloto 749. Then you pick your number to bet. Prediction will start on the 8th of January 2025. Good luck. Remember to bet responsible. Winners know when to stop. Gambling addiction, it's real.